All right, so once again, the question was, which country has the largest area? Is it Australia, Brazil, or India? And the question is, ready? Brazil. It's Brazil. Brazil has the
I thought it was
largest area.
Australia.
I would have thought too, and the only reason
Also-
I didn't was because I was like, that's too obvious.
That's
gotta be
probably
yellow.
what everybody
Yeah.
thinks.
Yeah.
But I guess it's probably just the fact that Australia is an island. I mean, it's its own continent. And so because it's not connected to anything, it looks
It appears so
like it should be
large.
bigger, right? But Brazil is part of
And Brazil is just easily the lion's share of what South America is.
Yeah.
But when you look at it on a map, a lot of times the way the political maps are set up, Argentina and Chile and some other countries can really seem fairly large by comparison, but in reality, Brazil is
right.
gimungo compared to the others. What was it? 3,286,000 square miles compared to Australia, which is almost 3 million square miles, slightly under.
It's not much bigger.
And India is it's like a third of the size of Brazil.
Yeah, that's wild. That is wild.
Oh wow.
Well, of course,
Yeah.
Brazil got rainforests in the Amazon River.
Right.
Totally awesome.
If you look at my my screen really quick, you can actually see like what Sam was saying, that Brazil takes up most of South America.
Nope.
There we go. Right, that is actually quite a bit more than I thought.
And that actually, again, I think that's even, well,
Is that scaled a little weird?
yeah,
you think?
just because of the political maps are often
Right.
they're flattened.
What do you mean by political maps?
Yeah, like because they're flattened to look like
No topography or
yeah, just to kind of like flatten the topography. I'm trying to see.
so you might not see some of the features
Yeah.
that would give it more.
Well, I'll see if I can find an example of what I'm talking about. But in any case, you can see just from that picture, it's huge.
Okay, Darren, what do you know about Brazil?
I know that Brazil is the largest country in South America and the 5th largest nation in the world. It forms an enormous triangle on the eastern side of the continent with a 4,500 mile or 7,400 kilometer coastline along the Atlantic Ocean, and it has borders with every South American country except Chile and Ecuador.
Oh.
That's a coastline that's like double the length of each of our coastlines.
Yeah.
Lots of beaches.
Yeah.
I do know they love soccer in Brazil. They've actually won the World Cup 5 times, which is more than any other country.
that's
And
wild.
Pele's from
Pele,
Brazil,
of course.
very well known. Actually hosting the tournament this year too.
Oh, again?
Yeah.
Didn't they do it very recently?
Was that the World Cup?
The-
Oh wait, I just said World Cup. Maybe this is outdated. So let me rephrase that. They also recently hosted the World Cup. And they won 5 times. And the Olympics.
Oh, maybe that's what I'm mixing it up with.
No, I think you might be right, because I remember thinking it must be
2014.
insane in Brazil. during the
2014 it
World
was
Cup.
in. 2018
Yeah.
it's going to be in Russia.
Yeah.
Okay. When are the next Olympics?
2018 in Russia.
2018 in Russia? Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. That's awesome.